Hi famies, welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and in good health. Remember that we are just a South African food content YouTube channel and we cook what we have in our homes. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video. Let's cook seafood. It is very difficult to cook seafood. Very difficult. We have our baby potato, prawns, sweet corn, mussels or shells, I don't know, and then what is this, calamari and some eggs. We're going to boil our eggs. All right, yo guys, this is a challenging dish to make. Okay, we're gonna have our boiled water, of course, with colored, what is this, food coloring, red. I prefer the red, the one that you use when you bake your scones. Yes. And then you're gonna add also your cooking oil, your olive oil, your normal oil, any oil that you have. And now you're going to throw in your calamari. Please make sure that your calamari boil first before you put in the rest of the thingy. All right, please, because I've noticed that calamari takes a little bit longer as compared to others. Then we are going to throw in our what is this, prawns. Throw in your prawns. At this point, I don't know how to cook this thing. Like I said, we cook what we have. I'm not a chef, I don't know. I just mix everything, then we good to go. Trust the process. Namangas ngiphunyuke kanjani. Then we're gonna add our mussels. The pot is no longer accommodative. Kuri kwena o hapeletša relationship. O tseba botsore motho a o nyake. Mara wa hapeletša. Anyway, then these are our spices. We have bay leaves, chicken stock, different types of spices. We have chili there. I also saw rosemary. Now, like I said, good people, when it comes to spices, use what you have. Now I can't remember. I'm not good with spices. I just know them by, when I see them, go store, go shop on, mara gore ke tlo botsa gore ye ke paprika re di kwa ka lena a ngazi mina. On the other pot you're going to, because we don't have a bigger pot, the other pot is boiling sweet corn and eggs. The other one is potato, baby potato. Now you see everything is coming together. I think our mussels, not prawns, were a bit ready. Then I had that, I tasted there was no salt. I added another chicken a cube. Don't put beef, please. The only time you use beef is when you cook maybe your mutton or beef itself. Other than that, on the other hand, I saw Vienna. I'm like, yo, you add Vienna. We have our also onion and what is that green thingy? Oh, spring onion. We had there's a spice. We also had, you will see as I go. We'll see as I go. And then now you're going to brown your onion, add your spices. One of them can just be Raja, the yellow one. Yeah, curry, that yellow curry. And then mix everything together. Leave it for a moment to brown it. Then you add your green thing. Guys, now I forgot what this is. But I think it's spring onion. Yeah, something like that. I can't remember. Yes. Wakopancha. Then I had to change pot because I can pot. I don't have big pots. So if you feel like you wanna bless me, I am ready. Then we took that wholesome oil, melted it, our onion and onion together. What is this, garlic? You mix everything together because we want that taste. Okay, garlic, right? Mix everything together. After this is our jalapeno. You still remember, if you are an OG, you'll remember that we once made jalapeno homemade. This is still the bottle, and I think it's 6 months old now. So yeah, it's still doing wonders. Then you mix everything together. What are we doing? We are doing soap, gravy. I don't know, what do we call this? Sauce. Yeah, sauce. You see, it's becoming all right. Sauce for our seafood. Then if you leave it longer, this is how it's supposed to be. See, everything is blending well together and the color is quite nice. and you're gonna add your water. Of course, makura tlotala, you're gonna have quite a lot of fat. That's one thing I don't like about seafood sauces. Like there's too much oil, too much fat. But you can rub it. You can just add your things there um to make it nice. Then this is fish spice because it's seafood, whatever. You can always add. The thing is, when it comes to cooking, if you pay attention to details, your thing will tell you that okay, now I need what now I need what. So I use stock powder because it was a bit watery. Then I'm like, let me use stock powder to make it a bit thick, and then let it boil for a while. You see, let it boil for a while to give it a little bit more of volumiana. And yo guys, this sauce was very nice. Then I added my Viennas because I didn't have Russian. Most people have Russian, I didn't have it. And now I added my mussels. Leave it to boil a little bit for a while. There is apart from having a small pot, relocate everything all together, but because we had a small pot, I had to let it boil. I had to put bit by bit, After kancha the mussels, then added my calamari and what is this thing? Prawns, yes, calamari and prawns. Leave them to also boil it a little bit. Of course, the remaining sauce, we are going to use it. We are going to eat it. But then boil. So we are done. I had to take out potatoes because this pot was full, just to show you how it looked like. Of course, I'm gonna add more sauce on top of that, but apart from that, I dished out. This for me and my sister. I dished out, and then with some sauces aside. Yes, but we do have some sauce inside the bowl, those two thingy. Yo, guys, I'm tired. I try. So that it was nice. Yo guys, food content language. I mean food language, it's very difficult. Your food language. Chefs know how to speak this language.